Would you like to get your hands on one of these limited edition Class 700 Thameslink plushies? If you do, what you need to do is head over to Thameslink's Instagram channel, that's at TLRailUK, and what you need to do over there is follow the instructions, but basically what you're doing is creating a 30-second video of yourself saying what your happiest Thameslink 700 memory is. Use the hashtag Thameslink Trainiversary, but as I say, all the details are over there. I thought I would kick things off over here on my channel. Now, my video is going to be slightly more than 30 seconds. A, because I've already got my plushie, which is actually 700 106. They're all 106. 106 was the first unit to arrive in the UK from Germany. But secondly, I'm known for my announcements. However, my actual job is looking after the passenger information systems, and I got involved in that 13 years ago when I joined the Thameslink program, which the 700s were a part of. So I thought I would dig out a few of my Thameslink program bits, 700 bits, and share them with you. So I'm going to put teeny tiny Thameslink to one side. Next to teeny tiny Thameslink is a prototype handle that goes on the seats of the 700s. They were designed so that you could fit two people holding on. In fact, you probably get a third one there. We've got a mug, 700 mug there. I'm going to go quite quickly because there is a lot here and this video will end up being 10 minutes long. Got sales brochures here. So this is actually from 2009. So this in itself is not far off 20 years old. And this was basically Siemens demonstrating, what the 700 would look like. This was all done as part of the bidding process, which of course they won. So there you go, in FCC livery as well, which is interesting because FCC was the operator of the Thameslink route at the time. FCC was between 2006 and 2014. This came from Railtex, I think. 2012. This is just talking about the Desiro City, which is the model of the 700s. 700s, 707, 717s, they're all Desiro City there. So that's exciting. In 2014, January 2014, we launched the 700s to the world, and we had a big event at Excel, and it was branded Discover. This is the press pack, there you go. So there's information about the trains in there. There's a CD, I don't know what's on that. I'll have a look at that actually. What else did we have? What's this? Oh, that's also from the event. We gave out things. So this is a hand warmer on there. So Southern, Southeastern, FCC, Siemens, DFT and Network Rail. There's the logos on there. This one never been used. A lot of this stuff has never been used. Badge, that's a nice little badge actually. These little, I don't know what that is, like a microfiber cleaning cloth for your phone. There's a ticket wallet there as well. I like this. This is a Thameslink tie clip. So I don't wear ties other than at Seaton, so probably should wear that. What does it say on it? It says Desiro City, so it's a Siemens. That's a Siemens giveaway. That's nice. These are also really cool. This is, I don't know if it still works. It's a laser etched Class 700 in a glass block, and if I turn it on, you see it lights up in there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, the batteries are dying on that. I haven't got one unfortunately. My boss, Lee, hi Lee, had one, very jealous. It was basically that glass block, but it was literally like a foot long, great big paperweight. So it's probably about that size actually. Literally that, didn't light up, but that was a pretty insane souvenir of the 700s. What else did we have? I've got all these stickers lying around here. So I've got a box of them here. As part of this event at the Excel, we had, it wasn't for the event, we had a big mock-up, a 2-carriage mock-up to basically get the train right. And as part of that, there were we had to get the stickers right as well. So every sticker that was used on the train should be in this box, because this was the prototypes, in the toilets there. What else we've got here? First class, all sorts of stickers in there. There was one, I don't know what you call it, but basically where it says what goes on the end of the vehicle. This one here, there you go, goes on the outside of the end of each vehicle. That's definitely not from a 700. That's from FGW's Mark III's. No more, unfortunately. I also have, it's here. I think this went on the side of like a 319 or a 365. Great big vinyl that says First Capital Connect on there. What are they? Don't know what they are. So yeah, down here, as part, oh, this was also part of Discover. Everyone got a bag. This is where all your goodies were in there. What's that one? That's another sticker. That is what we're giving out to all of us when we join GTR from FCC. That's the old GTR logo for any of my colleagues who weren't there at the very start of the franchise. I did have, I've chucked it away. Where's it gone? Oh, well, it doesn't matter. There's a little First Capital Connect, what do you call it, bookmark here. I'm going off the topic here actually of 700s, because this is all about the 700s. And I'm going to go to this pen. So this pen, believe it or not, and I am telling the truth here, this is the pen that was used to sign the contracts for the 700s. It was, how did I come to having ownership of this? So the old managing director of First Capital Connect, he had the pen because he was, one of the ones doing the signing. So he had this pen and he gave it to my one of my old bosses back in 2012, I think it was. And at an event, I then needed to borrow a pen. So my boss let me borrow the pen, and I can't remember if I was allowed to keep it or if I just forgot to give it back. But alas, here we are, over a decade later, I still have it. So this is the pen that was used to sign the contracts. I think just from FCC side, but it was there at the signing. So a very special pen. What's this one? Oh, the 319 refresh pen keyring. That's from 2006. Wow, 20 years old. Here we have some sweets. This is from a company called Televic. These weren't from the launch. These were, I think, from Railtech only about 8 years or so ago. So Televic is the company I work very closely with. Love the guys at Televic over in Belgium. Hi guys. They do all the PIS, and you'll see that they decided to choose the TfL Rainbow board that we use on the 700s. In fact, this is old now because it says TfL Rail on it. What's this? Oh, a 700 book, and this is not related to 700s, but it is slightly damaged, unfortunately. Ticket wallet to mark the transformation of King's Cross. Lots of colourful bits and bobs around that you may have noticed. That is because the 700s, I've got another 700 badge there and another one there. The 700s were part of the Thameslink programme. The Thameslink programme was a £6.2 billion project to upgrade the entire Thameslink network. That includes lengthening platforms, rebuilding stations. The 700s, were part of that upgrade. To give it its own identity, it was given this very colourful branding. So anything that was related to the Thameslink programme had this branding. This was very important for engineering works, because for those of you who remember, there was a lot of core closures, weekend closures, evening closures of the core to get that ready for the operation, the upgraded Thameslink. So it was given this livery. However, we actually applied this to 2 Class 319s. Now, it was deemed that this would be unsuitable to have going through a station at 100 miles an hour. So the version that was on the trains was actually spun at 90 degrees. So it ended up looking like, is it on here? Yeah, sort of, it was that way round. You see what I mean there? So as not to give sort of, because that going through a station in front of you at 100 miles an hour, that would not be very pleasant to look at. But yeah, I've also just, there you are, the marketing team will be proud of me. Got my merch on. Lastly, there's loads of other stuff, but lastly, I thought I'd dig out this. I've also dug out this. This is Miles. This is EML's mascot. This is from the 6th of May, 23. He's got a crown on to mark the King's anniversary. Anyway, not anniversary, coronation. I'm talking really fast now because I don't want this to go over 10 minutes. This is from the 717 project. So not 700, but these were not far behind the 700s. And they are baby 700s at the end of the day. And this is pretty cool. I haven't got a 700 version of this, but I have got the 717 version. I don't know what metal that is, but you can imagine, I don't know, if we've got 2 of them together, that's your 700 version. So for me, I've got lots of stuff relating to the 700s, but lots of happy memories, being out in Germany, testing the trains over there, lots and lots of happy memories. If you've got any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. Stick them in the comments. But if you want your own Thameslink plushie, head over to TL Rail UK on Instagram, share your memories with us, and you could be with a chance of winning one of these lovely little plushies. Stay.